Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this program, we will be going over the fputs function. Again, this will be a short video, but there is a nice little demonstration I just wanted to show off in this video. So the fputs function just prints a string to whatever output stream you specify in the parameter of the function. As you can see, the function requires the pointer to the string and the output stream of your choice in its parameters. So in the code, we have a simple string and we have created a character pointer and pointed it to the string that we created. We use the fputs function normally first, specifying the pointer and then the output stream of our choice. After that, we also outputted a new line just for formatting sake. Okay, cool, that's great, but we also did something very interesting. We added 13 to the pointer and the parameter of the fputs function. Okay, so if you haven't paying attention to our pointer videos, links in the description by the way, you can guess what will happen. That is right, we will be moving the location of the pointer by 13 bytes, and this is all because of pointer arithmetic. If you know, you know. This should make sense to you if you have been watching our videos. If it doesn't, then check out the videos down below. Links will be in the description. But anyways, after executing the program, we do get what we expected. We skip 13 characters and print the rest of the string starting from the 13th character. See, that is right. I just love when things come together. But yeah, with that being said, thanks for watching this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.